Welcome to CBB tutorial. Please subscribe our channel. We are seeing now top 5 digital marketing trends. Follow these 5 digital marketing trends in 2020 and make your business rank top among the search engines. Firstly, we are starting with online shopping. So what is online shopping? Online shopping means pay digital and get products digital and also physical product to your home direct. Nowadays the trend is about online digital marketing. That means all are using online shopping. Way to get easily product direct to home delivery. That now we are totally digital. 1. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will be utilized to look at consumer behavior and search designs. To misuse information from online social channels and nog posts, and so forth, and will assist businesses with growing their advertise and decrease the expenses. 2. Video marketing. Video marketing will be used for everything from building customer rapport to promoting your brand services or products. As per YouTube, mobile video consumption rises by a whopping 98% a year. Nearly 85% of consumers wish to see more video content from brands in 2020. 3. Chatbots. A chatbot is a piece of AI software that conducts a conversation via auditory or textual methods. It uses real-time messages to interact with customers, thereby giving businesses a better perspective of the market. Nearly 80% of businesses will start using chatbots in 2020 instead of human customer service.